Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to our madam and my fellow friends. Today we are from Group 5. We'll be present about future of surveying work in forestry. Before we start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Nur Shariha binti Sahimi, 203320, and
my name is Muhammad Rusdi Ismail, 203099.
My name is Nurin Atila binti Zulkifli, 203322.
My name is Mazatuna Shaida, 203054.
My name is Surah Ita Fazira binti Akimuddin and my metric number is 203321.
Hello, my name is Aiman Solihin bin Muhammad Taib. My metric number is 203021.
my fellow friends. As we know, forest surveying is very important to make a good forest management decision based on data obtained. This data can be attained by using surveying instrument, which is total station, geographic information system, light detection of ranging, and unmanned aerial vehicle, which will be presented by my group member later. So we will begin our presentation today with our first presenter.
My name is Muhammad Rusdi. The first tool is tool station. What is tool station? Tool station is an electronic instrument used in modern surveying and building construction that use electronic transit light in conjunction with electronic distance meter, which is EDM. It is also integrated with microprocessor, electronic data collector, and storage system. This instrument is used to measure sloping distance of object to the instrument, horizontal angle and vertical angle. Total station are mainly used by land surveyor and civil engineer, either to record features in topographic surveying or to set out features such as road, house, and boundaries. They are also used by archaeologists to record excavation. So the pros is it is a fully electronic measurement, digital display of start reading and distance. The third is first storage, data storage in instrument. The cons is depends on battery and electronic, does not work well in cool weather, and loss of data is possible. So in my research, I found 6 types of total station. The first is manual total station. Second, semi-automatic total station. Third, automatic total station. Next is server-driven auto station, and the last is server-driven and robotic auto station. Okay, that's all from me. Next.
Okay, hi, my name is Nurin Atila binti Zulkifli. Okay, I will present about the Geographic Information System, yaitu GIS. GIS is a system designed to capture, store, manipulate, analyze, manage, and present all types of geographical data. The keyword to this technology is geography. This means that some portions of the data is spatial. In other words, data that is in some way reference to locations on the Earth. The 4 main ideas of geographic information system are: first, create geographic data; second, manage it in a database; thirdly, analyze and find patterns; and the last one is visualize it on a map. Okay, pros of GIS. First is better land use management, where collected, analyzed, and mapped data help managers make better and more informed decisions about plan location and design. Construction projects depend on a wealth of data for things like site selections, accesses and easements, zoning restrictions, conservations of environmentally sensitive areas, the natural resource extractions, existing utilities, and community resources. GIS provides this additional information, allowing for informed decision-making and this planning in considerations of location, people, and the environment. The second is reliable record retentions, where historic data, documents, and map provide a basis for a prospective project's feasibility. More accurate background information leads to more options to satisfy all concerns about the project. This gives design managers, politicians, and interest groups the right data about locations, resources, and previous development to drive project outcome. The third one is web of data, and the last one more accurate. Cons for GIS is failure from dead batteries and system malfunctions. And the second one is limited functions and communications. And the last one is stop working in remote area. Next.
Next is unmanned aerial vehicle, or we call it UAV, and sometimes another name of this device is uncrewed aerial vehicle. It's commonly known as a drone, and in aircraft without a human pilot on board, which means this drone can fly without anyone control it. So this UAV usually used in the military, and this is pros and cons. For pros, UAV cover large surface area in a short time, which is they can fly 12,000 nautical miles in 1 hour. Next is provide variety of photos, cross difficult terrain, and it's more detailed. And for the cons, it's very expensive and it's limited abilities. They depend on the weather. The data traveler also very slow and then vulnerable to wild animal, which is animal can see this drone and might harm the animal. Okay.
Okay, to the next slide. Now for the last advanced equipment, I will explain about light detection and ranging, LIDAR, or also known as altimetry laser. LIDAR is actually a system of data collection that uses laser pulse and time of flight calculation to capture massive quantities of data with incredible accuracy. So on how this equipment works, as you can see in the slide, a typical LIDAR sensor will emit pulse light waves into the surrounding environment, and these pulses will then bounce off surrounding the shape of our target and return back to the sensor. The sensor will use the time it took for each pulse to return to the sensor to calculate the distance traveled. And the advantage of using this altimetry laser is first, it offers a real-time point clouds. To make it simple, LIDAR will produce mass point cloud data sets, which a point cloud is a set of data points in space that represent a 3D shape or object and has its sets of x, y, z coordinates. So a highly accurate x, y, z measurement can produce a detailed, accurate, and realistic 3D model. Next, LIDAR are able to cover large area as it has a great data accessibility and it can be collected in a short amount of time. However, this equipment has its own limitation to weather conditions, such as it is ineffective in heavy rain or low-hanging clouds. And also, it depends on the principle of relation, therefore it's very sensitive. Moreover, LIDAR is a system that can collect a very huge data set, which require a high levels of analysis and interpretation. So it may be difficult to interpret the data collected by it. And elevation error are also possible because the inability of the LIDAR pulses to return back accurate data. And the last one, the disadvantage of this equipment is it can be expensive when applied in smaller areas when collecting data. Okay, next, sorry.
Okay, as the conclusion, nowadays have a few advanced surveying equipment, such we can listen to the presentation before, since the technologies keep growing fast day by day. Total, all 4 equipments presented by my team have its own pro and contra, either in price, graphic, and accuracy data. Total station equipment compared to geographic information system has same weakness in battery usage and pro in data accuracy. Drone equipment for surveying is expensive and weather dependent, even it has ability to cover large surface area in short time and able to cross difficult terrain which has almost same condition with light detection and ringing, which is expensive. And that's all from us for today's presentation. I hope all the data given is useful for the others. Thank you and Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera.